Hello guys, now watch this. 7, 13, 19 and 1. I'm placing a bet that day 4 will not make it in the next outcome. So watch now. I'm going all in. So I'm going to be determining that this combo will not make it in the next outcome. So watch. You see, that's a win. So I'm going to change into another color. Watch. So I'm using the color green this time. So from the color green, I'll be using 3, 6, 9 and 15. 15, yeah. So this is a video on Betzero in case you've not noticed. And just like the last video I posted, I am going to be determining this particular pattern with the color principle. And it is very accurate. So watch. This combo is not going to make it in the next outcome at all. One, two, three. You see, and that was a win. So I'm still going to roll over this particular numbers instead of color. It's numbers. So the numbers 3, 6, 9 and 15 will definitely not make it in the next outcome. Remember I told you last time in the last video that you are determining it with a color and you can even stick to one combo or two. So for this video I'm going to be sticking to just two. The first combination I used and this green. So watch now. It is not going to make it. Let's watch. So you see, that was a win. So I'm going to go back to the first combination I used, which is the 1, 7, 13 and 19. Okay, so watch. 7, 13, 19 and 1. So if you know me by now, you should know I go all in. That is how high the risk is and how effective this strategy is. So if this is your first time of stopping by, I'd like to say a very big thank you. This is Cindy Virtuals. Please do as well to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like this video. Please also share this video. Watch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! And that was a win. Sorry. Now watch this next outcome. Personally, with the signals, I know that either of those combo I am working with will make it in the next round. And trust me, I wouldn't want that to happen. So if I were to place a bet that 7, 13, 19 and 1 will make it in the next outcome, I definitely will fail. If I also place a bet that 3, 6, 9 and 15 will make it in the next outcome, trust me, I am also going to fail. So I am going to wait for the outcome, then I'll skip to the next. So remember, for this video I have a complete tutorial video on this particular strategy that helps you achieve these same results on your screen. You see, that was a 15, that's a 7 and that was a 9. So now for my last game I'm going to use the first combo I used. So it is going to be as simple as that. 7, 13, 19 and 1 is going to be the next. So watch while I place a bet. 7, 13 and 19 and 1. So I'm going to be staking my entire 741,000. So watch me. So remember, don't forget to WhatsApp the number on your screen for more info on the strategy. So watch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah! See? That's it for this video, people. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to WhatsApp the number on your screen. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.